guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received August's BOLZANO. Do you want to see which bag I received this month? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received August's BOLZANO bag. Last month was my very first bag, and I was so thrilled and just excited for the bag that I received. I really loved it. Everything inside was just so amazing, and that was my very first one. So this is my second, and I can't wait to see what we received. They do send this in a mailer bag, which I removed, and this is what it is inside, which it does have this duster, and all of them come with the duster, which I think is amazing. And it has like this little card with a ribbon on the top that is holding it closed, and I can kind of see the silhouette in there, and I can't wait to see what it looks like. Now, BOLZANO, if you do not know, they have several different subscription boxes. Okay, so if you subscribe to this subscription, their instructions are place the subscription product in the cart, and then in the search box type SheCrafty gift and add it to the cart. By doing so, you will receive a special gift worth up to $45 once you subscribe. So again, when you put the subscription in your cart that you want to purchase, then go to the search bar and put in SheCrafty gift, and then add that to your cart, and you will get a free gift valued up to $45 with your first order, which is amazing. Okay, so this is a handbag and accessory subscription. We alternate materials. The value is up to $250 for the bag. Now they have a purse companion monthly subscription, which is $10. They have an accessories monthly subscription, which is $18.95. They have the purse companion quarterly subscription for $24. They have the purse and accessories monthly for $33.95. They have the accessories monthly subscription Luxe for $43.95, and then a Luxe handbag, accessories, and beauty monthly for $43.95, which that's what I received last month. I don't know what I received this month. This was sent to me for review, so thank you so much, BOLZANO, for sending me your amazing bags to show my viewers. Let's go ahead and dive in here. Let's see which bag we received, and then we can tell which subscription they sent me. Last time it was the one for the 43, but I don't know what this one is, so let's see here. Ooh, that is a very pretty color. It is like a rose pink. It's like a light pinkish, almost a slight lavenderish tint to it. That is so pretty. Let me get these handles off. That's cool though that they do tape this on here to hold its shape when it's in transit. So I do appreciate that. Now that the handles are off. So here is the purse, and then they have their logo, BOLZANO, that's hanging. That is really cute. It says BOLZANO right there in the leather. It has the 4 little feet. There's the back. How pretty is that, you guys? That is so pretty. Okay, so now going inside, there is a magnetic closure on both sides. And then there is a zipper in the middle. There's not a zipper like on the sides or anything. It's just all the way open on both sides like that. And then the inside, let's get that opened. So here's this paper that was in there. And let's see here. Meet this month's bag, curated especially for you. Oh, and that's the thing, they have a profile. So when you do sign up, you have a lengthy profile that goes over colors, it goes over styles, it goes over all kinds of different things. So you can tell them what you prefer as far as colors, accent colors, styles, what type of bags, and all of that. So they send you a bag that is based off of your profile, which that is cool. So now going inside, it says, congratulations on signing up to receive surprise and styling each month. Okay, so this isn't the one with the beauty in it. This one is just the bag with a few accessories. So this must be the $33.95 one. This month we've chosen our Eleonora. It's right here. Right there. Bag especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $195. This is a part of our new summer collection. It comes in shell pink, which that's what I received, fern, powder blue, and black. What we love about this bag is the tubular handles, signature BOLZANO logo, its sleek shape, multiple internal compartments, convenient purse feet, crossbody strap, and minimalistic hardware. So there we have that. All right, and both of these close very, very well. Just all I did was hold, and I don't know if you heard that, all I did was hold it up and they already magnetized back closed. That is so cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up in here and see what's in here, and they close again. So there is some bubble wrap, and here is the actual, here's the handle. So it gives you a, not the handle, I'm sorry, it gives you a strap, and it's the same color, and it is adjustable. It looks like a belt. So it's adjustable, and you clamp them right on both sides of the purse on these little guys right there, or you can leave it off and just hold it. So I like that you have the option to have it hang or to hold it from the handles. So they have you covered on that. And then there are a few little accessories in here, you guys. Let me show you the inside and then we'll go over the goodies. So the inside of the purse, there is a zipper. So inside here, there's a zipper pocket right here that you can put stuff in. And then on this side, there is two little pouch little pockets that you can put stuff in as well. So that is really cute. I really like this, and it is so light, so it's not going to weigh you down. I hate when purses are so heavy that the purse alone is heavy and then you add your stuff in it and it's like, oh my gosh, what am I carrying, a 20-pound bag? So I like that this is light and airy, so it's not going to weigh everything down once you put your stuff inside. So again, there is the whole outside. We already looked at the inside. Now let's look at the goodies that came inside here. So number one, this looks like a bracelet in this little bag. Let's try to get it out of here. Okay, that is really pretty. I don't know if it's gonna, I have a really large wrist. I've noticed a lot of bracelets and stuff that I get do not fit, but let's see. Oh, this one actually does. It does fit me. That is really neat. Wow. Alrighty. So that does fit. So we have a bracelet that I guess you could probably bend to adjust to different size wrists. So I do appreciate that because that fits my wrist for sure. Then next we have, ooh, we have another one in here. That is so pretty. Look at that. Look how pretty. Like, what do you call these? Bangle bracelets? And that one fits me too. Look, how cute. And I'm sure, again, if you have a smaller wrist, I'm sure you could just like bend it to get it to fit you smaller, but I don't need it smaller. This actually fits me perfect. And I really like that. I like that detail. That's very, very cute. So there's bracelet number 2. That is really pretty. And then we have, this matches. I'm like, this matches. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And I appreciate that it is a necklace and bracelet that matches because I have too much sensitive ears that if it comes to earrings, I can't ever really wear them. So I do appreciate that this is a necklace and bracelet combo set. Now, if it's going to fit my neck is the next thing. I guess I just have like a big neck, so like these smaller style. I'm just trying to get this off. There's been a few that I've gotten in subscription boxes and I'm like, that's gonna cut off my circulation. And this kind of looks like one of those, but let's see. I just have a big neck, I guess. I've realized. Okay, so it was in a knot, like a very big knot, and I just finally got it out. There's still a knot on the chain, which I can at least open it before it was like knotted on the thing. So let's go ahead and see if this is going to fit my neck here. My neck? My back? Yes, it's going to fit me. Yay. Let me get it in the hole. That's not my job. Okay, so, oops, it's crooked. Let me take mine off. I know I'm all discombobulated over here. Okay, got mine off. Let's get this right. Okay, good, they're not backwards. So that is so pretty. I like how it's 3 like layers, the 3 different tiers, and it totally matches this bracelet. So that is super, super cute. I really like that. I really like that a lot. So what do you guys think? So I have a necklace that matches this bracelet, which I think is adorable. And then we have this other like thicker, wider bracelet that is so cute. And then we have our purse. So let me know, you guys, comment down below, what do you think of this subscription? If you do want to get it, don't forget to search in the bar for SheCrafty gift to get that free gift when you order as well, because that's amazing. And these subscriptions, you can cancel at any time, but you get a new purse or bag delivered to you every single month. And I think that's awesome, because then you can change them out throughout the seasons, you can change them out throughout your mood, you can change them out throughout your outfit. You can do whichever you like, and if you get this subscription with the accessories, then you get sometimes accessories for your purse or like scarves or jewelry, which is amazing. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. If you're not already, I'd greatly appreciate it for you to hit that subscribe button, and you can see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.